who's ready for a party? Because that's what we're doing today on Bravo Tempo. We're celebrating. Want to join us?
Yay!
What are we working on today, Maestro Tempo?
Maybe today we should take a break from all the hard work.
What? Why?
Because sometimes we all need to let our hair down and celebrate.
What? Why?
Because it's fun. Don't worry, we'll still learn a song, but today it's a song to party to. Johannes Brahms' Hungarian Dance number 5. Hey kids, let's learn Hungarian Dance number 5 today. This famous melody is perfect for your party. This is how it goes. Now that ending is a little tricky. Let's try it together. 1, 3, 5, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2. Okay, great. Now let's try that faster.
It sounds like a party in here, and I want to dance. Me too.
Well then, let's party. Hit it, Bella.